Effective strategies for eliminating tough stains on your bathroom floors. Are you tired of stubborn stains on your bathroom floors that just won't go away, no matter how hard you scrub? Worry no more. We have some tips and tricks that will make your bathroom floors sparkle like new in no time. Firstly, you need to identify the type of stain you're dealing with. Is it a water stain, rust, or maybe even soap scum? Knowing the type of stain helps you choose the right cleaning solution. Our next tip involves the kitchen superhero, baking soda. Mix it with water to create a paste, then apply it to the stain. Let it sit for a while and let the baking soda work its magic. Baking soda is a game changer when it comes to breaking down stubborn stains. White vinegar is another powerhouse in the cleaning world. Mix it with water, apply it to the stain, and let it sit. The acidity of vinegar works wonders, especially on hard water stains and mineral deposits. If you prefer a natural approach, reach for a lemon. The acidity in lemon juice helps dissolve stains. Just squeeze the juice onto the stain, let it sit, and wipe away. Plus, your bathroom will smell wonderfully fresh. Sometimes, you need a little elbow grease. Grab an old toothbrush to scrub those stains away. It's a simple yet effective way to target specific areas and get your floors looking spotless. And there you have it, 5 fantastic tips to remove stubborn stains on your bathroom floors. However, if you've tried everything and the stains still won't budge, it's time to call in the professionals. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more cleaning hacks, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. For more in-depth advice, check out our article linked in the description below. Happy cleaning!